Companies spend countless hours trying to track inventory, manage work orders, and deal with maintenance operations. Don't spend unnecessary resources. With the help of MicroMain's powerful CMMS and EAM software, you can reduce your maintenance cost by up to 70%, all while tracking your maintenance work in a proactive and productive way. MicroMain's user-friendly software is innovative, reliable, and has incredible business intelligence, as it currently serves more than 30,000 users in all types of industries. Our technology ensures standardization and efficiency that can increase work production over 28%. We saved your company time, money, and resources with work order tracking, automatically generated preventative maintenance schedules, advanced reporting, asset management, and much more so your company can mitigate risk and make proactive decisions. In fact, our customers have reduced their average downtime over 28% and increasing equipment lifespan over 10%. So don't wait. Get started with MicroMain today. For more information or to schedule a free demo, go to www.micromain.com or call us at 888-888-1600.